Hey gamers, got banned from Blizzard and need to get back in the game? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video I'll break down why bans happen, how to appeal them, and the secret weapon that'll get you back online if you need to create a new account. So why does Blizzard ban players? It usually boils down to a few key reasons. Cheating, toxic behavior, exploiting bugs, account sharing, and fraudulent activity. Cheating with unauthorized software? That's a big no-no. Harassment or hate speech in chat? Another quick way to get banned. Exploiting game bugs or real money trading? Yep, that's against the rules too. Account sharing or buying, selling accounts? Not allowed. And finally, chargebacks or fraudulent activity can also lead to a ban. Alright, now let's talk about how to appeal a Blizzard ban. Blizzard allows you to submit a support ticket to appeal, but you need to be smart about it. Here's how. First, be honest and polite. A professional tone goes a long way. Next, state your case clearly. If it's a false ban, explain why. Remember, one well-thought-out appeal is enough. Spamming tickets won't help. And keep in mind, an appeal is not a negotiation. If you broke the rules, the ban will likely stand. Now what if your appeal doesn't work and you face a permanent ban? Creating a new Blizzard account might be your only option. But here's the catch. Blizzard requires a phone number for verification, and they don't accept VoIP numbers. So what do? This is where MobileSMS.io comes in. MobileSMS.io provides real SIM-based temporary phone numbers that Blizzard accepts for verification. By using MobileSMS.io, you can get a legitimate phone number that works for Blizzard's verification process. This way, you can create a new account and get back to gaming without any hassle. Let's quickly compare your options. Using your personal mobile phone is convenient but low on privacy. Free texting apps usually don't work because Blizzard blocks them. Prepaid SIM cards are an option, but they can be inconvenient and sometimes flagged. MobileSMS.io gives you a real mobile number that's accepted by Blizzard, offering high privacy and convenience. Alright, once you've got your new account set up, it's time to play fair and avoid future bans. Enable two-factor authentication, never share your account, and mind your behavior in-game. Steer clear of cheats and exploits, and be cautious with third-party tools. Keep your email and account secure, and stay updated on Blizzard's policies. So there you have it. Getting banned from Blizzard isn't the end of the world. Understand why the ban happened, appeal if you can, and if needed, start fresh with a new account using a real SIM-based number from MobileSMS.io. Stay safe, game fair, and happy gaming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.